Our structured three-step approach ensures optimal performance for your overhead line projects. First, we analyze lighting data along your specific assets using our dedicated tool, I3CM LLS, identifying hotspots and vulnerable points with unmatched precision. Next, we simulate and assess your network lighting performance with SIGMA SLP, a dedicated tool built specifically for overhead line applications, to pinpoint exactly where actions is needed. And finally, we implement robust lighting mitigation strategies, including targeted line surge arrestor application, proven to drastically reduce outages and enhance overall network resilience.